want you to question whether or not this is my hair. Go ahead, Brenda. Go ahead and try me. I'm ready to block you anyway. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. So today's video is brought to you by Klaiyi Hair. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. It's also Sippin' Slay, and today your girl got her water. Your girl just didn't really feel like a wine day. I mean, I had wine yesterday when I wasn't supposed to, so maybe that's why, I don't know. But I'm sipping on my water today, getting my hydration on, and that's that. Okay, listen. This little joint right here keep my water cold. You hear me? I like that. Now, before I show you guys how I get this unit from A to Slay, because you're gonna want to see it, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on my bad, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way.
Okay, so you here real soon, ain't you? You didn't watch the install? Huh? You want to skip on through that? Oh, okay, okay. But if you did watch the install, then you know what? Thank you. Okay, thank you for not skipping through, so you know exactly what you're getting with this unit, okay? Because y'all be leaving me comments after you buy the wig and be like, oh, it didn't look like this out the pack and blah, blah. And I'm like, sis, did you see it out the pack? Or did you see it on my head after the pack? Listen. Pay attention, okay? I'm here to help. I'm just here to help. But anyway, like I said, this unit comes to us from Klaiyi Hair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out for yourself, you definitely can. You guys saw my install that this unit needed a little work to get her like this. Now, it wasn't as much work as what I've done to other units, but you do need to get that hairline together if you want it to look as natural as possible. Now, before we talk about the work that I did, I will say to Klaiyi, for the price point of this wig, even though we got the inches and the texture, and I love it, okay, I love it, I want the hairline to be a little bit more pre-plucked than what you are offering, because the more money we spend, we expect certain specs on a unit, especially if other units in this price point are giving us all that, okay? But as far as work that I did for my unit, you guys saw that I went in and plucked through my hairline. I initially started with the pull method, but I realized because the hairline was a little bit thicker than I wanted, the pull out method was not going to help it. So by using my tweezers, I was able to kind of focus on certain areas, especially my sides, to get the hairline the way I wanted it. I think the hairline came out great. You guys saw again with the pull out method, it did break off some of the hair around the front, which actually works really well for me, because after I do the melting process and I untied the unit, those little hairs that I kind of broke off kind of create some makeshift like baby hairs, baby swoops that look a little bit more natural. So if you're not a fan of the pull out method, you may need to go ahead and try that, because y'all, okay, listen. We doing that, okay? The lace on this unit is pretty dark. I was worried it wasn't gonna match with my skin tone. However, I was able to match it pretty good with no makeup. So you guys know normally I go on top of my lace with my foundation or my contour. I couldn't do that with this one because the lace was already dark. So if I was to put any type of makeup on top of here, like my contour or my foundation powder, it would definitely darken the lace and it would just look real, it would look terrible, okay? It would look real bad. So I made sure not to do that. However, I did use my foundation press powder in the color, what is this? Maybelline Fit Me in the color 360. And I use that to dust around the hairline just to get rid of any line of demarcation that I may have on this unit. I still see, god dang it, I still see a little lightness over here, maybe, and even right here. I could probably go in with my brush. Let me just try it. Let me try it. I hope I don't mess this up. Let me just do this. I mean, if I can't find it, then I can't do it. Here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna use a little bit of my contour right here, just a smidge. Let me see if it'll hide it a little bit. Okay. Gotta be real light-handed with that joint, because you don't want to, one false move and it's over. You hear me? Okay, right here, I think. Use your contour. So that looks a little bit better, especially on that side. So you do get a 13x4 lace parting space, I'm pretty sure. But just be mindful that it is pretty short on the sides here, like the way the tracks are on the side. So if you want a deep side part, go ahead and shift the unit a little bit further to the side that you want to put your part on, and it will give you a deeper side part. As far as the hair is concerned, you guys know that I love a good textured unit, and this one is no exception. This hair is gorgeous, okay? I am here for this texture. I did go in for the first time ever and use my blow dryer brush on one of my wigs, and I'm really happy that I got that. Shout out to my girl Gladys, aka Is That Your Hair. She put me onto that brush and I have been loving it on my natural hair, so I figured I'm gonna go ahead and try it on one of my little kinky joints, and y'all, she's sitting real pretty. Okay, she's sitting real pretty. It definitely smoothed the hair out a lot. You guys saw the before and after. It definitely sleeks the hair out and makes it more manageable, especially after you go in and wash your kinky straight unit. It will swell, so do expect that. So that brush actually helps alleviate the swelling, as well as the extra tools you gotta use to blow dry your hair. So yeah, I'm here for this. It will be linked down below. Okay, so you guys want to check it out, you can. I did go in with a half a pass with my flat iron, and when I say a half a pass, meaning I didn't go all the way down to the ends. I just went halfway where most of the crinkles are in this unit. Normally with kinky straight units, you will get, you know, the crinkles in the unit. I feel like this wig in particular had a lot more crinkles than what I'm used to for a kinky straight unit, but I'm not mad at it. Again, you can brush them out, blow dry them out, straighten them out, and you know, you'll be good to go. Okay, a middle part will do just that. Okay, if you want to definitely do a hard part for that joint, you can definitely do that, but again, the parting space is pretty tight, especially because that lace is dark, so it may not work on certain skin tones. Klaiyi, if you want to offer some more lace options, then again, if I want to do like a deeper side action like this, hold up. If I would do like a full up style, I could definitely do that with this unit. Everything I can do on my natural hair, I pretty much can do on my wigs. So, you know, I'm here for this wig. I'm here for the texture. I'm here for the final look. Again, you will need to do some things for some change in your unit, okay? So make sure make sure you understand what you're getting before you buy this wig. If this 24 inches is too long for you, you can definitely get the 14 inch, especially because, you know, the sun is coming, okay? Spring is coming, and we need to protect the neck, okay? Because it's starting to get hot. So, you know, I may want to go ahead and pin this joint up, but for right now, under my air conditioning, I'm fine. Okay, listen, I'm gonna definitely rock this joint for the rest of the day, okay? I'm about to go swing my hair in Target. Magnolia section, here I come. Okay, listen. I got my new glasses on because I want people to see me. I want to see people see me. You hear me? I want you to question whether or not this is my hair. Tell me to my face it's not. Tell me. Go ahead, Brenda. Go ahead and try me. I'm ready to block you anyway. Y'all know I ain't got no sense, but I got the looks though. Ooh, I got the looks. What's going on my straw? It's like stuck in here. Come on. But shout out one more time to Klaiyi here for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link and my specs down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.